What if I told you that looking 10 years younger doesn't require expensive creams or surgery? It's all about consistency and a few simple habits that can completely transform your skin and face naturally. If you're ready to turn back time the natural way, stay with me, because by the end of this video, you'll know exactly what to do every day to keep your skin glowing and youthful. No needles, no filters, just real results. Let's start with where it all begins, and that's your skin, because how you treat it daily can make the biggest difference in how old or young you look. The real secret isn't about doing more, it's about doing the right things and staying consistent every single day. Once you're over 50, your skin changes in ways that can't be ignored. It becomes thinner, drier, and more delicate, which means you have to treat it with patience and care. Think of your skin like silk. You wouldn't scrub silk or use strong chemicals on it. You'd handle it gently so it stays smooth and beautiful. Your skin deserves that same softness. Start your routine with a creamy, non-foaming cleanser that removes dirt and makeup without stripping away your natural oils. Mature skin needs balance, not deep stripping. If your skin feels tight or squeaky after washing, your cleanser is too harsh. Choose something that leaves your face feeling clean but still soft to the touch. When your cleanser respects your skin's natural barrier, everything else you apply afterward will work better. Next, use a hydrating toner or essence. This step often gets skipped, but it's what helps your moisturizer sink in and stay effective. Look for ones with ingredients like glycerin or rose water to calm and hydrate. Think of it as your skin's first drink of water before you seal it in with a rich cream. It's these small steps that make your skin look and feel refreshed instead of tight or tired. Then reach for a deeply nourishing moisturizer filled with ingredients that truly feed your skin. Ceramides rebuild your barrier and keep moisture in. Peptides signal your skin to produce more collagen, which keeps it firm and lifted. Hyaluronic acid draws water into your skin and keeps it bouncy and smooth. These ingredients don't just sound fancy, they work in real, visible ways when used consistently. Over time, your skin starts to regain that healthy glow you might have thought was gone for good. And no matter what, never skip your SPF. Even if you spend most of your time indoors, UV rays can still reach you through windows and reflect off surfaces. They slowly cause fine lines, dark spots, and sagging without you realizing it. A daily sunscreen with at least SPF 30 protects your skin from that silent damage. It's one of the most powerful steps you can take to maintain your skin's health and radiance long-term. To take it even further, consider adding a gentle exfoliating product once or twice a week. Mature skin benefits from light exfoliation because it removes the dull surface layer and helps new, healthy skin come through. Choose a mild lactic acid or enzyme exfoliant instead of harsh scrubs. Your skin will look fresher and your other products will absorb even better. Once your skincare routine feels right, it's time to take things a step further. There's something simple you can do that brings blood flow back to your face and gives your skin that natural lift. Let's talk about facial massage and how it can make a big difference in how radiant your skin looks. You don't need expensive gadgets or salon visits to lift your face. Your hands alone can do so much when used the right way. A quick 5-minute facial massage each night can help improve circulation, sculpt your jawline, and reduce puffiness that tends to settle in as we age. It's a small ritual that feels relaxing, but also delivers visible results over time. Start by warming a few drops of facial oil between your palms. Choose one that feels nourishing, like rosehip, argan, or jojoba oil. The warmth helps the product glide smoothly and keeps you from tugging on your skin. Begin at your chin and work your way up toward your temples, following the natural curves of your face. Always use gentle, upward motions. This simple habit helps drain excess fluid, supports lymphatic flow, and prevents that tired, sagging look that often appears around the jaw and cheeks. Move to your forehead and use your fingertips to smooth out tension from the center outward. Many women over 50 carry stress in this area without realizing it, and softening those muscles can instantly make your face look more open and relaxed. Spend a little extra time around your eyes too, using your ring fingers to lightly tap and glide from the inner corners to the outer edges. This motion helps minimize puffiness and dark circles while stimulating blood flow. When done daily, this short routine acts like a natural facelift. You'll notice a gentle lift in your features, a softer texture, and a healthier glow. It's not about chasing youth, but about keeping your skin alive, responsive, and well-nourished. Think of it as self-care that shows on your face. To make the most out of this routine, try pairing your massage with a few mindful breaths. As you move your hands across your skin, focus on releasing tension from your neck and shoulders. You'll find that your whole body relaxes along with your face. Over time, this not only improves the look of your skin, but also helps you feel calmer and more connected to yourself. If you ever want to enhance the benefits, you can use a cool jade roller or gua sha stone a few times a week. These tools help boost lymphatic drainage and tone your facial muscles even more. The key is gentle consistency. A few minutes each day adds up, and before you know it, your skin begins to feel firmer, smoother, and full of life again. Once your skin feels more awake and your circulation is flowing, it's time to think about what fuels that glow from within. Let's move on to how food, hydration, and nutrients play a powerful role in keeping your skin youthful and radiant. You can't fix on the outside what you neglect on the inside. No cream can replace the power of good nutrition and proper hydration. What you eat and drink shows directly on your skin, especially as your body changes after 50. Hormones slow down, collagen production decreases, and the skin loses elasticity faster. But when you fuel your body with the right foods, you can support your skin's ability to stay firm, smooth, and radiant. Start with water. Hydration is one of the simplest yet most effective ways to maintain youthful skin. As we age, our skin naturally loses moisture, making fine lines and dryness more visible. Try to sip water throughout the day instead of drinking large amounts at once. You can also hydrate through food by eating water-rich fruits and vegetables. Cucumbers, oranges, berries, and leafy greens all help keep your skin plump and fresh. Adding these to your meals is an easy habit that makes a visible difference over time. Next, focus on healthy fats. Omega-3 fatty acids are especially helpful for mature skin because they help strengthen the skin's barrier and keep it soft. Foods like salmon, walnuts, flax seeds, and chia seeds are full of these good fats. They also help calm inflammation, which can make the skin look dull or tired. Try including at least one source of healthy fat in every meal. It's a small change that supports both your skin and overall well-being. Now, let's talk about antioxidants. As we age, our skin becomes more vulnerable to oxidative stress from pollution, sunlight, and even everyday stress. Antioxidant-rich foods like blueberries, spinach, green tea, and dark chocolate help fight that damage and protect your collagen. The more colorful your plate, the more protection your skin gets from within. Another key part of youthful-looking skin is rest. Deep sleep is when your skin repairs itself and produces new collagen. Getting enough quality sleep helps reduce puffiness, even out your tone, and restore that natural glow. Try creating a calm evening routine that helps you wind down. A short stretch, a few deep breaths, or even a cup of chamomile tea can signal your body that it's time to rest. To keep your results long-lasting, pair good sleep with consistent nourishment. Think of your body as a system that thrives on balance. When you eat well, stay hydrated, and rest deeply, your skin begins to mirror that internal harmony. The glow you see isn't just surface level, but it's also a reflection of your body being supported from the inside out. And of course, you should never forget the joy that food can bring. Sharing a healthy meal with family, cooking something nourishing for yourself, or savoring a piece of dark chocolate without guilt adds warmth and satisfaction to your day. That kind of happiness shows on your face too. A well-fed, well-rested and content woman naturally radiates beauty, and no skincare product can ever compete with that kind of glow. When you nourish your body from the inside, your skin responds beautifully on the outside. But to make those results last, there's another piece that ties it all together. Let's move on to the daily habits that quietly shape how youthful your face and energy look every single day. How you carry yourself often shows just as much as what you put on your face. Facial expressions, posture, and even your daily mindset all contribute to how youthful and alive you appear. A genuine smile can lift your facial muscles in a natural way, while constant frowning or tension can cause deep lines to form over time. The way you hold yourself also matters. Standing tall with your shoulders back instantly gives you a more confident and refreshed presence, while slouching can make you look and feel older than you are. When it comes to staying youthful, movement is your secret weapon. It doesn't have to be intense. A daily walk, gentle yoga, or even a few stretches in the morning can do wonders for your skin and body. Exercise boosts circulation, which means more oxygen and nutrients are delivered to your skin cells. Over time, this gives your complexion that healthy, natural glow that no cream can replace. Try finding a routine you truly enjoy so it becomes something you look forward to rather than another task to check off your list. As your body becomes more active, it's just as important to calm your mind. Stress can show up on your face through tension lines, dullness, and fatigue. Taking a few quiet minutes to breathe deeply or meditate can make a big difference. Even something as simple as sitting outdoors with a cup of tea or tending to your garden helps lower stress levels and bring back a softer, more relaxed expression. The more peace you create inside, the more it reflects outward. Another habit that quietly keeps you glowing is staying socially connected. Meaningful conversations, laughter, and time spent with loved ones can lift your mood and keep your energy vibrant. It's a reminder that beauty is not just about appearance, but also about how alive and joyful you feel inside. Consistency ties everything together. The little things you do each day have a far greater impact than anything done once in a while. Small, caring routines add up, whether it's your skincare, your morning walk, or those few minutes of self-reflection. Every healthy choice builds on the next and creates that lasting radiance that only grows with time. And remember, your glow isn't just about how you look, but how you live. The calm in your mind, the kindness in your words, and the way you care for yourself all come together to create that quiet beauty that people notice without even realizing why. That's the kind of glow that no product can imitate, and it only gets stronger the more you nurture it. By caring for your body, mind, and spirit each day, you naturally bring out your best self. These daily habits are what make aging gracefully not just possible, but truly beautiful. Looking younger naturally has nothing to do with chasing perfection or trying to look like someone else. It's about caring for yourself in ways that make you feel strong, comfortable, and proud of where you are in life. Women over 50 have a beauty that comes from experience, wisdom, and self-awareness. When you nurture that, it shows. Healthy skin, a genuine smile, and quiet confidence are the kind of things that never go out of style. Aging gracefully means embracing change instead of fighting it. Every line, every shift in your face tells a story about the life you've lived. The goal isn't to erase those signs, but to soften them by taking care of yourself consistently. A few mindful steps every day can help you look refreshed and feel more alive without ever needing harsh treatments or expensive products. Gentle skincare routines keep your skin calm and strong. A quick facial massage keeps your circulation active and gives your face that healthy lift. Nourishing your body with whole foods, staying hydrated, and getting enough rest help your natural glow come back from within. And when you move your body, smile more often, and keep stress low, your energy begins to reflect in how you carry yourself. These small things, when done regularly, create that timeless radiance that cannot be faked. As you continue building these habits, you'll notice that it's not about turning back the clock. It's about bringing out your natural vitality and keeping it alive as you age. Your skin starts to respond, your energy improves, and you begin to feel like the best version of yourself again. When you take care of your skin, body, and mind together, everything begins to work in harmony. The glow you see in the mirror is simply the result of the care you've been giving yourself. It's proof that beauty doesn't fade with time. It evolves. It becomes more real, more grounded, and more meaningful. True beauty comes from showing up for yourself every day, staying kind to your body, and loving who you are at every stage. Aging gracefully is about feeling at home in your own skin. It's about waking up each morning feeling grateful for your body and confident in how you've cared for it. When you carry that quiet confidence with you, it shows in everything you do. The way you speak, move, and connect with others becomes your natural glow, and that is the kind of beauty that truly lasts. So let me ask you this: which of these tips are you planning to try first? Let me know in the comments. I'd love to hear what's been working for you too. And if you found this video helpful, you'll want to stick around for this next one.